Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro Max mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic upright tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then remove the mid-frame by undoing 16 screws from the top and bottom sections. And then, using a plastic upright tool, create an opening to separate the back cover frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to disengage the plastic clips. While taking out the frame, be gentle. The fingerprint flex is attached to the mid-frame. Disconnect the flex cable to release the mid-frame from the body. And also disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out the not talking battery by loosening the adhesive. First, loosen the adhesive on both sides, and then pull it by the tab. Be gentle and lift the battery. Next, place a new battery on the body and secure with adhesive. Next, connect the fingerprint and battery plug, and then secure the mid-frame by adding 16 screws and the SIM tray. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.